Welcome to your Google Maps for Work, a practical guide to process mapping for clarity, communication, and automation. Every organization relies on processes, but most are invisible, based on, quote, tribal knowledge. This invisibility causes friction, slows down work, and makes improvement nearly impossible, leading to chaos, risk, and waste. We will focus on the 80-20 of process mapping. Mastering the essential 20% of concepts will deliver 80% of the results. This toolkit helps explain operations, spot automation, and document followable workflows. The first three essential concepts are inputs, steps, and outputs, which define the process foundation. Actors, which are every person, system, or tool that touches the process. And decisions versus actions, separating steps that always happen from points where the path might change. The final two concepts are handoffs, the number one failure point where work moves between people or systems, and bottlenecks and waste, areas where time, effort, or clarity leak out, like manual work and repetitive tasks. A great map is a shared agreement about reality, not how we wish things worked. A high-quality map must include a North Star purpose, be grounded in reality, use standardized, actionable language, and define resilient handoff contracts. Let's apply these concepts to a messy business workflow, converting meeting transcripts into various content artifacts. The process starts when the transcript is available and ends when all artifacts are shared with the team. Step 1 is mapping the as-is reality. Document how the process actually works, including all manual steps and friction. Naming the problems, like the manual download, conversion, and upload steps, is the first step to removing them. Step 2 is moving from vague language to actionable instructions. To turn tribal knowledge into organizational knowledge, replace vague phrases with clear verbs and objects, like converting handle transcript to download transcript from Zoom. Step 3 is designing the future state. After identifying bottlenecks and waste, we redesign the process to remove friction through automation, without changing the inputs or outputs. This achieves the same goal with fewer unnecessary steps. Building a resilient process involves creating handoff contracts. These answer the simple question, what must be true before the next step can run? Examples include requiring the transcript file to exist and be in TXT format. Communicate the process at 3 levels. The executive layer focuses on the why, the team layer explains the how, and the operational layer provides the what, the full, step-by-step future state process map. You've learned a system, not just mapped one process. This methodology can be applied anywhere to break work into inputs and outputs, identify bottlenecks, separate current and future states, and design automation-ready processes. A process map is not just a picture, it's a shared agreement about reality. Once reality is agreed upon, improvement becomes mechanical.